Painkillers are some of the most trusted products in Australia. They're everywhere, in kitchen drawers, bathroom cabinets, handbags, office desks, car glove boxes. They're used for headaches, back pain, joint pain, period pain, toothaches, cold and flu symptoms. Most Australians grow up believing painkillers are safe, routine, harmless when used normally. After all, you don't need a prescription. But here's the uncomfortable truth most people never stop to question. Many commonly used painkillers in Australia are not as gentle or harmless as people believe, especially when used regularly, combined incorrectly, or taken without understanding what's actually inside them. Some painkillers are easy to overuse, confusingly marketed, harsh on the stomach, stressful on the liver, dangerous when stacked, identical in ingredients despite different names. And because pain relief feels urgent, most people don't read labels carefully. They just want the pain gone. Today, we're exposing 8 Australian painkiller products you should seriously reconsider. Not because pain relief is bad, but because misunderstanding these medicines can quietly cause harm over time. Stay until the end, because number 1 is the most misunderstood and overused painkiller in Australia. Number 8, Panadol, regular and extra strength. Panadol is often described as the gentle painkiller. That reputation creates false confidence. People give it to children, older adults, themselves daily, because it feels safe. What people don't realize, Panadol's active ingredient is paracetamol. Paracetamol is processed almost entirely by the liver, has a narrow safety margin, becomes dangerous when taken too often or in high doses. Many people unknowingly take Panadol for a headache, cold and flu medicine later, another paracetamol product at night, all containing the same drug. Why this is a problem? Liver damage from paracetamol can happen silently, may not cause pain at first, often shows symptoms late. This makes it one of the most deceptively dangerous painkillers when misunderstood. Trusted brand, easy to misuse without realizing. Number 7, Nurofen. Nurofen is marketed as strong and targeted. Back pain, period pain, muscle pain. That targeted language encourages repeat use. What's inside? Nurofen contains ibuprofen, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, reduces inflammation, blocks pain signals, also irritates the stomach lining. Frequent or long-term use can cause stomach ulcers, increase internal bleeding risk, strain the kidneys. Why people get caught out? Many people take Nurofen on an empty stomach, multiple days in a row, alongside other NSAIDs, without understanding cumulative damage. Effective, but harsh when relied on too often. Number 6, heroin paracetamol. Heroin is often chosen because it's cheaper. That creates a dangerous assumption. Cheaper must mean weaker. It doesn't. The truth, heroin paracetamol contains the exact same active ingredient, the same strength, the same risks as premium brands. Why this matters? People often take heroin after already taking Panadol, double dose accidentally, assume generics are safer. They're not. Same drug. Lower price doesn't mean lower risk. Number 5, aspirin. Aspirin has been used for more than 100 years. That history creates trust. But age doesn't equal safety. What many people forget. Aspirin thins the blood, irritates the stomach lining, increases bleeding risk. It's especially risky for people with stomach issues, older adults, those who drink alcohol, people taking other blood-thinning medicines. The big mistake. Many people take aspirin casually, without realizing it's one of the harshest painkillers on the stomach. Old medicine. Old risks that still matter. Number 4, Disprin. Disprin dissolves quickly. That speed feels reassuring. But fast isn't always gentle. Why it's on this list? Disprin is still aspirin when it dissolves faster. It hits the stomach faster. Irritation happens sooner. Damage risk increases. Many people use Disprin for quick relief without understanding it's not mild. Fast relief. Fast stomach stress. Number 3, Voltaren tablets. Voltaren tablets are powerful anti-inflammatory drugs. They're often used for arthritis, joint pain, sports injuries, and power always comes with risk. What's inside? Voltaren contains diclofenac. Diclofenac has been linked to increased cardiovascular risk, stomach ulcers, kidney strain. Why this is serious? Voltaren is often taken repeatedly, used without medical guidance, combined with other painkillers. That combination significantly increases harm potential. Strong medicine, not designed for casual, repeated use. Number 2, Codral pain and cold combinations. This is where many people unknowingly get into trouble. Codral isn't just cold medicine. What's really inside? Many Codral products contain paracetamol, decongestants, sometimes antihistamines. People often take Codral on top of Panadol, headache tablets, flu relief powders. This leads to ingredient stacking. Why this is dangerous? Stacking paracetamol increases liver damage risk, often goes unnoticed, feels harmless until it isn't. Multi-symptom relief, high confusion, and stacking risk. Number 1, paracetamol, all major brands. This is the biggest issue of all. Not one brand, not one box, but paracetamol itself, across every brand name in Australia. Why paracetamol is number 1? Paracetamol appears in Panadol, Heron, supermarket generics, cold and flu products, migraine tablets, children's medicines. Because it's everywhere, people take it daily, stack it unknowingly, exceed safe limits slowly. The silent danger, paracetamol overdose, does not always cause immediate pain, may not show symptoms early, can cause serious liver injury before warning signs appear. Many people believe if it's sold everywhere, it must be harmless. That belief is wrong. Paracetamol is safe only when used carefully and sparingly. Most common, most misunderstood painkiller in Australia. The biggest problem, ingredient confusion, different brand names, different packaging, different targeted pain claims, but often the same drug, the same risks, multiplied by habit. This confusion leads to accidental overdosing, liver damage, stomach bleeding, kidney stress, long-term health problems. What you should always check, very important, before taking any painkiller. Read the active ingredient. Check what you've already taken. Avoid mixing similar drugs. Never assume different brands equals different medicines. Pain relief should be intentional, not automatic. Painkillers aren't the enemy. Misunderstanding them is. Many painkillers used daily in Australia are easy to misuse, confusingly branded, harsher than people realize. Being informed doesn't mean avoiding pain relief. It means using it with awareness, not habit. If you want videos on painkiller ingredient breakdowns, safe medicine label reading, over-the-counter drug myths, health risks people ignore, comment yes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Protect Australia Plates. This is Protect Australia Plates, exposing the truth behind everyday products so you can make informed decisions.